what's good? That's good. That's good. You too. Oh, we're back. We're back with another vlog. Today I'm with my boy Smokey. So today is the day, niggas. Today is the day. The boy is getting away. I know I've been fooling around, but today is the day. Blah, blah, blah. So, Malu, back boomer. So yeah, today is the day I finally get my whip. So I'll see you all when I get to buy cars. Yo, YouTube, we just made it into the office park where we buy cars is. The Uber dropped us off. And damn, I regret wearing this thing. Oh, hot as shit. Oh, the sun is this side. I still can't see me, my bad. You know,
the sun is this side.
my boy is
this side.
covering me to buy the whip motion.
My is just looking at us like, what one?
Y'all stay tuned to see what I'm carrying. Is it a polo? Is it a Benz? Is it a BMW? We never know.
We don't know.
We never know. But then yeah, we'll see how when we get inside. Yo, what's good, you too? So we made it to we buy cars, as you can see. We're looking at the okay, I know what. Oh. Am I getting this polo? We don't know. But yeah, hey, let me flip the camera. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Let me go check the box again. Come on, this one, but I got this plate.
It's not focusing. Hey, what pipe is this now?
Well, I'm sure the rasa is start. Let me see the price on it. What's the price on it? The number plate is even inside.
Shots the not tag really.
Yeah?
Why is my camera? Why is it not focusing? I think we're on.
The car is.
Guys, must I get the 8? Well, we have a budget today. We have a budget.
I see other ones.
So guys, the boy was in the office, you feel me? I thought I was scared to record, but then, you know, we paid for that shit already. Right now they just, you know, doing the final touches. They said they're gonna let me know. When to pull up. So yeah, I'll show y'all what they have in store in case you know y'all niggas also wanna pull up. So yeah. Yeah. I get an M135i. Okay. Let me show you all what this bitch is talking about. Oh. Guys, must I get an M135i? I don't know. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. How many miles does this thing have?
Yeah.
70. Nah, here's this kid. Yo, guys, I think I'm in love with BMW. Yo. I'm fetching this one. Guys, I'm fetching an M135. So,
This is just too nice.
guys, let me show you what we got. Let me show you c63s. You feel me? You. It's the one.
But I don't like the rims.
But I don't like the rims. I'm gonna change the rims. We made
Look at the seats, though.
White seat belts. I didn't see this.
White. Oh, wait, hold on. You didn't even pull out the camera.
We go white seat belts on that motherfucker. Oh, damn.
Yo, we're in my dream car chance now. Is it the one, Manan?
C63s.
Basically the one, yeah.
What?
This one.
It's the one.
It's the one.
The one.
It's the one. Just so like right now in my dream car.
So guys, we made it into my week. They finally opened for me. These niggas, let me tell you, man. Hey, this nigga, they so good to, hey, I'm a young nigga. Hey, they took advantage, boy. They were yachting me. They thought I wasn't serious. But the boy's been working. I'm lying, it's daddy's money. But like, still do. We go. Yes. AMG. AMG. We go white seat belts, but I'm gonna remove this and put red because now I'm straight. What do you say?
Man, this guy's just.
Ooh.
That's what I'm saying, Manando, like that.
Ooh. Ah. Here she is. So now once they finish the payment shit, once they finish the payment thing, they're gonna take it out and put it, you know, with the ribbons and everything. But this gotta go. This shit has to go. You know, we go. We go. You too. So we're back at the crib ski. You know, let me show you all. Aha, good looking boy. Very, very good. So yeah, we didn't get the bands because the coins are not talking. I had like they told me that I don't have enough money because I had only have like 4.3 in my account. 4.3 thousand. And that's it. So they said it's not enough. So now I need to go look for the other millions now. Don't know where I'm gonna get millions. But yeah, let me go look for the other millions, and then the car will be in the garage. So sorry people, but thank you for watching.
I can't get killed by these niggas.